I added mayonnaise to the boiling water, and you'll be surprised by the result. I'll start our recipe by putting 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise in a cup and a quarter of boiling water. Stirring well until it dissolves completely. At this point, I'll add 1 3/4 cups of wheat flour and mix well until I get a smooth dough. And this is the consistency the dough should have. Once done, I'll remove it from the heat, place it in this bowl, and let it cool down. Meanwhile, in another bowl, I'll put 3 boiled potatoes, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of butter, and then mash everything really well until it turns into a puree. Now, I'll add 250 grams of shredded mozzarella and mix it well with the potatoes. The dough is now cool, so I'll take it out and place it on the table to knead with my hands. This is how it should look. I'll divide it in half, then into equal portions. I'll take a piece of dough and shape it into a ball. And I'll do the same with all the pieces. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching us from so I can send you a special shout out. Today's shout out goes to Linda Johnson from Toronto, Canada. I'm happy you're enjoying our recipes. Next, I'll take one, press it down to flatten it, add a tablespoon of filling, and close the dough like this. I'll repeat the process with all the dough. Tell me how you make appetizers at home. I'd love to know your recipe. To finish, I'll place them in the pan with hot oil and let them fry. Once they're golden, we can take them out. It turns out simply delicious. Try it at home and come back to tell me what you think. They're super crispy, and you can serve them with your favorite sauce.